Hey guys and girls, this is me Saima Parveen. Today we are going to learn about the significant figures. Significant figures are actually the reliable digits in a number that are known with certainty. The last digit of a number is generally considered uncertain by a plus minus in the absence of qualifying information. There are certain rules to determine significant figures. Let's study them one by one. Rule number 1. Non-zero digits are all significant. For example, 354 contains three significant figures. Rule number 2. Zeros in the starting of a number are not considered significant. For example, 0.68. Here are only two significant figures, that is 6 and 8. Rule number 3. Zeros between non-zero digits are significant. For example, here you have two numbers. First is 5003 and second is 6.014. Here you have four significant figures in both of the numbers. Rule number 4. Zeros locating the decimal point in numbers less than 1 are not significant. For example, 0.001. Here, there is only one significant figure, that is 1. Moving towards rule number 5. Final zeros to the right of the decimal point are significant. For example, if you have 1.00, then there are three significant figures. And last, rule number 6. Zeros that locate the decimal point in numbers larger than 1 are not necessarily significant. For example, 230. Here you have two significant figures, which are 2 and 3. There are some important factors which can be used in determination of significant figures. First is the accuracy of measuring instrument, and second is the size of object to be measured. Use of significant digits in addition and subtraction. Here only a comparison of absolute uncertainties of the numbers are involved, which means that only as many digits are to be written to the right of the decimal point in the answer as the number with the fewest digits in the right of the decimal. Like in this example, you can see there are two numbers. First is the 1.31 and second is the 2.1. So the number after decimal point in second number, that is 2.1, there is only one significant digit. So we will count that. After adding them, you will get 3.41, and therefore it will be rounded off to only one decimal point, like 3.4. This will be your answer. Taking second example for the subtraction, here you can see you have two different numbers, but the number with least significant digits after decimal point is second digit, that is 5.31. So we will subtract them, and after subtracting we will round off them to two significant figures after the decimal point, and we will get 3.43 significant figures. Here we have few questions for practice. Question number 1. Consider the addition of the following numbers. So first of all, we will arrange them in order and then add them. After adding, we will round off the numbers up to the least significant digits. So here you can see the least significant digits in a number is 1. So we will round it off the answer to one significant digit after the decimal point. Moving towards next question. Here we will add all these, but you can see there are different units. So first of all, we will convert the units. Here 15.5 meter is equals to 15.5 meter, and we will convert 651.8 centimeter to meter, and then convert 4291 millimeter to meter. After converting all of these to the same unit, we will add them, and you can see we need to round off the answer up to the one significant figure after the decimal point. So we will round off the number up to 26.3 meter. Now, use of significant digits in multiplication and division. Here it involves a comparison of only the relative uncertainties of the number, which means the number obtained as a result of multiplication or division of two or more numbers obtained by measurement must have no more significant figures than the number used in the multiplication or division, which has the least number of significant figures. For example, here you have two numbers, and we will round off the answer up to the three significant figures, which is the least number with significant figures. So multiply them we get, and then round it off the number we will get 5.84 significant digits. The second example is for division. Here we will round off our answer up to the least number of significant figures, which is 7.95. So first of all divide them and then round it off. We will get the 2.00 significant figure. These are some questions which you need to solve by yourself. Thank you.